Hey, good morning students. Hope you all are fine. Now in today's video, we will start a new chapter, third chapter, which is chapter number 1 from geography, which is the earth and the solar system. Let me clear one thing first, that you have to make single notebook for history, geography and civics. Just do the chapter according to the number wise that we are doing. Okay, we have done 2 chapters from history, so this is our third chapter from geography. Okay, no need to make a separate notebook for history, geography and civics. Make a single notebook. Okay, now let us start with the chapter, the earth and the solar system. So students, have you ever seen the sky at night? If not, please take a break and watch the sky. Go and watch the sky. What we can see there, twinkle twinkle little stars, these beautiful stars are there which we can observe with our bare eyes. The highest object what we can see in the sky is the moon. Moon is there with lots of light to make the night beautiful. Now what are the terms we used here? What are we used? We used stars, we used moon. Now when we observe the sky at night, we can see stars, we can see moon, we can see some other shooting objects, some signs. What we call them? We call all these the celestial bodies. Okay, so we call these the celestial bodies. Now look here. So we can see this is our universe. All the objects which we see in the sky are called the heavenly bodies or the celestial bodies. So whenever you look at the sky, whether in the night time or at the daytime, whatever you see in the sky, they all are called celestial bodies. So what all comes under the heavenly bodies include the stars, planets, satellites, asteroids, comets, meteor. Our earth is also a heavenly body or a celestial body. Okay, so we will be studying all these terms, stars, planets, satellites, asteroids, comet, meteors in detail in this chapter only when we will go further. Okay, now let us first discuss what do you mean by universe. So universe is basically, it stands for everything that exists in the space. All these celestial bodies are a part of universe only. It originated 2000 crore years ago almost. Okay, it is a large and an unimaginable expanse of atomic dust, gas, stars, dust clouds, galaxies, planets and all living creatures including us. So these all gas, stars, atomic dust clouds, galaxies, they all form the part of the universe only. Although nobody knows how the universe came into existence, but evidence suggests that it started with an explosion of energy known as Big Bang. Okay, so these galaxies are also a huge collection of gas, dust and billions of stars and their solar planets held by a gravity. Okay, so these all galaxy is basically a collection of gas, dust and many stars and solar systems which are together with the help of a gravitational force. So our earth is also a part of a galaxy which is known as Milky Way or Akash Ganga galaxy. So this Milky Way or Akash Ganga galaxy has about 10,000 crore stars in it. Now it is difficult to derive. So this is an image of a Milky Way galaxy. Okay, our galaxy in which our earth is present. Now it is difficult to derive a unit for measuring the distances between these heavenly bodies because they are very far from each other in the universe. So what do astronomers do? They do not use ordinary terms like kilometer and meter to measure the distance between these heavenly bodies. They use a unit of measurement which is called light year. So light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Okay, what distance traveled by light in 1 year? Okay, it is for a distance travel in 1 year. Now the speed of the light is shown 3 lakh kilometer per second. Okay, so light travels a distance of about 9,50,000 crore kilometer in 1 year. If we will calculate this whole by multiplying it, so it will come, the answer will come 9,50,000 crore kilometer in 1 year. So which unit? Like we use unit to measure distance like kilometer, meter we use. So in universe they measure the distance in a unit called light year. Okay, now we will be studying about the stars. What do you mean by stars? So we all know stars are huge bodies. They are made up of very hot gases. They have their own heat and light. That is why they twinkle in night. Okay, they look very small as they are very far away from us. Like we have heard that people say that sun looks very small, but it is because it is very far away from us. So similarly stars also look very small because they are very far away from us. So stars are formed from the clouds of gases and dust in space, which is called nebula. Okay, so the nearest star, this nebula is basically the cloud of gas and the dust which is present in the space. The nearest star to the earth apart from the sun is Proxima Centauri. Okay, it is more than 4.24 light years away. So this is the nearest star to the earth that is present. Sun is also there, but apart from sun, which is there, Proxima Centauri. Okay, so it is 4.24 light years away. So see, they have not used the distance to measure the distance. They have not used kilometers and meters. They have used light years. Okay, so it is 4.24 light years away from the earth. Okay, now see in this image, this is the image of nebula. Okay, you can see the cloud of gases and hot, these all gases are present, stars are present. So this is nebula and this is Proxima Centauri from the earth, star that is near to the earth. Okay, now I have prepared this homework for you. So you have to define these terms. These terms you can take the definition from the book. So you know the chapter PDF is given over the video. Above the video icon link there is a chapter PDF is given. So you have to read these terms or the chapter carefully and you have to define these terms in your notebook. Okay, what are these? Celestial bodies, universe, galaxy, light year and nebula. I have also written all these definitions in my video also, and you will get all the definitions in your book also and in the PDF also. So first you have to read the chapter, then you have to answer these terms. Hope you have understood the topic. If you have any problem, please comment with your name and section and roll number so that I can respond you at that time only. Thank you for watching.